Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to zoom smoothly with Canon EOS R50 V. So first, turn off your camera, and here we have a circle on the lens that allows us to zoom. As you can see, it zooms, but to zoom smoothly, just turn it slightly left or right. Too much. Now it's smoothly, and zoom in smoothly too. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next one.